So going back to the question that I saw in the chat about, where can we get models today? Probably one of the biggest places that you would go is Hugging Face. Hugging Face offers, I think today there's over 1 million models that have been uploaded to Hugging Face. Organizations like OpenAI, any of the ChatGPT components will use a lot of these. You'll see other organizations using them as well. In fact, Hugging Face has its own chat using one of the most prominent models today. It's a 70 billion model. So 70 billion parameters were entered there. ChatGPT 4, by the way, just to let you know, has 1.7 trillion parameters that were used for training the model. So it's not something that gets trained in hours, as I said, or even in a week. It might take months to do that. So ChatGPT 4 came out in March. ChatGPT 5 is going to come out in December. You can see that there is a definite time frame between the new models and the new versions of those models being available. It's not something that happens overnight. It's not to say that it can't be something that happens in, a very, very short period of time. As I said, if we work with some of these pre-trained models, we take them into consideration, and then we probably are going to add our own data to do that specific training that we want to return the information that is fine-tuned for the information that we're working with in our organization. I've just used a couple of terms there that I now want to explain. So fine-tuning is about working with your data set, basically tokenizing the data. That term is essentially breaking it up into smaller data sets. In the terms of ChatGPT, it's breaking the words up into individual words and vectorizing them. That just means creating a matrix of it, back to our model here of the cube. It's a matrix. And then going in and understanding the data through running these models, so training the models, testing the models, validating the models. And that, as I said, that process can be sped up when we do go out to model sets like this.